ladies and gentlemen, the man who is willing to sacrifice his presidency, his honor and his life to bring about genuine change in the country, President Rodrigo Cadigong Duterte.
Yes, Rosalie, go ahead.
Good evening, Darlene. 205,000 beneficiaries who were victims of Typhoon Yolanda will additional grant of lot of the government under the Duterte administration. This was the announcement President Rodrigo Duterte made before he ended his speech for the first housing summit of the National Housing Authority he attended under his administration.
Ngayon, pamahalaan para maprotektahan ang mga mamamayan sa mga malalakas na alon at sa naluyok na dala ng bagyo. Ito ang Flood Embankment Project, mas kilala sa tawag na nagawin mo ng Leyte. He was a president. Tara, samahan niyo akong